G'day guys, this is Rob from Troutlore.com.au, Australia's fly tying specialist store. Today we're tying a very simple fly. It's only two materials, yet it catches fish. This is the no-seam Midge. It's made up of a size 16 hook, some thread and some hackle, and that's it. It sits in the film, popping up like a little post. The hook shank itself presents as the body of the fly, and the hackle like the wing from an emerging midge. So let's get started. We are coming in with a size 16 Goulburn steel 4214 dry fly hook, and then following that with some UTC 70 Denier thread in black, and starting just behind the hook eye, we're going to make touching wraps down the shank, laying over that tag end. Once we get near the hook band, we just break that off. It gives us a nice clean edge, and then we'll start wrapping back up. Just going to run back down, get a little closer to the bend of the hook, and then bring our thread right back up to about a couple of millimeters behind the eye. Then we're going to take a hackle from our dry fly hackle pack here. You can use any color, do it in Grizzly's the most obvious one. We're going to take a medium dun color here, just peel out some of those fibers. This is obviously a much larger hackle than size 16. That is what we want. We'll capture that on the top, bring it back down to about the 1/3 mark, bring the thread forward, and then we're going to make 2 or 3 wraps of hackle, capture that off with one wrap behind the hackle, pull everything back, one wrap in front, another wrap behind, another in front, and then we can trim out that tag. Now we need to bring all these hackles to the upside of the hook shank. So what we're going to do is preen them up like so. Once we've done it a few times, they'll start to sit, but you'll still get ones running underneath. So then as we preen them up, we're going to run our thread going from hand to hand, like so, capturing those strays and doing essentially a figure of 8 on the underside of that hook to force those fibers to sit up. A few on the rear that are just not wanting to play ball, so we'll pull them up one more time. That's better. And we're done. Then out comes the whip finisher. Put a couple of 2 or 3 turn whip finishers in there just behind the eye. Trim off that tag end, and to make sure that doesn't go anywhere, we're just going to put a drop of head cement either side of the eye to seal that thread. And there you have it, the no-seam Midge. It's hackle and thread. It presents a very slim silhouette on the surface, just as a midge body would, with those hackle fibers sticking up like the wings coming out from an emerging midge. It doesn't get much simpler than this, yet it catches fish. Tie up a bunch for your fly box now. The materials, of course, are available from the Troutlore fly tying store, and they're shown, all 2 of them, down there in the description. As always, thank you for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, leave us a comment if you've got something nice to say, and happy tying!